can add this to the 65, guys.
Yep.
That I have. That's not the smart sink, and then we can go ahead and rock and roll. That's what I want.
The only downside is it's not going to give you end of life detection, and it's not going to give you any of the information on there.
Oh, so once it's done, you got to buy a new one.
But these last longer than your normal consumables, and they give you better cut quality.
Thank you
and they're
so
easier
much.
to use.
What's your name?
I'm Jared. I'm the Hypertherm rep in Denver, Colorado.
Heck yeah.
So Jared Rich.
Thanks,
if you ever
man.
need anything, let me know.
Appreciate it, dude. Here.
Thanks, sir. It's all good. It's all good.
Stop marker.
You ever do any class club?
Goes in.
Yeah, a little bit.
Works out. Then, well,
Oh, that's bad.
how many do you want?
Huh?
How many do you want? Large trunk that you can work on. This will go between the frame and the duals. So if you're stretching your frame or adding more stuff, you can put that in there without dismounting your wheels.
Man, that is a beauty.
And actually, roto lock. So on the bigger drills, you got two flats at 90 degrees and set screws. These, it's a bayonet style, so it goes in and twists.
All right. Nice. I love it.
So that's corner shank. So
How are you doing today?
good. How are you?
Good, man. Some of my favorite tools here. 41 years Flange Wizzard's been in business? Wow.
So we just lost him a few months back here, and we started a scholarship fund. We'll be giving out a couple scholarships next go around through the American Welding Society.
Nice.
You go to it's like brand new material.
I love it.
It's durable as all hell.
Howdy.
How you doing, man?
Good, man.
He does electrochemical weld cleaning stuff.
That's what it is.
does
Electro
weld?
weld cleaning.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a welder.
Nope. It's restore the chromium layer, the welds.
Man, I like that ink, bro. Can I get a video of that?
Of course, bro.
Oh, I like that, dude.
Thanks, man.
Nice, dude.
Looks good too, bro.
I gotta get it finished. Thanks, man. I appreciate
Oh,
it. SFE?
I'm sorry, it's
No.
SFE. Yeah, it's not math.
SFE. Sorry. Thank you for clarifying.